Divine Collective, we're starting out with a evil practitioner here, New Moon in Gemini. Someone saying we need to talk. Divine Collective, Spirit is telling you to reject any type of food or drinks from this person. Maybe this person wants to ask you to go out for coffee, out to eat. Divine Collective, Spirit is asking you to reject any type of food or drinks at the moment. Divine Collective, trust the process. I'm picking up on someone here is paranoid. They're being haunted. I'm picking up on a teenager in this reading and a fated encounter. Divine Collective, someone here is not letting you go. The name Richie is of significance. Richie or Rich. Spirit says the enemy is trying to stop you, trying to trap you. They don't want to let your energy go here. They've sealed their fate. Divine Collective, someone is dealing with a lot of mental conflict. Spirit is telling me that this is someone who may have came after a child of yours, Divine Collective, possibly a teenager, okay? And now they're being haunted by what they've done. This person is very paranoid. I'm getting psychosis, Divine Collective, psychosis. This person may even be sick, very weak. Spirit says old tactics no longer work, Divine Collective. Ooh, this is the second time in a different set of cards that I got someone on their deathbed, Divine Collective. In actual physical death here, okay? And this card says it, right? It says on their deathbed, hospice. The last card I got, which was these cards, said on their deathbed someone was in hospice or on bed rest. Divine Collective, okay? There's a conversation going on behind your back, Spirit says. The initial O, I heard the math isn't mathing, Divine Collective, the initial O. Spirit is saying you are very wise, Divine Collective. You are very wise. You will be getting your karmic justice. Someone wants to be your friend again that never energetically moved on from you, Divine Collective. They want to be your friend again. Spirit says continue stepping out of the darkness of uncertainty, Divine Collective. Spirit says you are love. You are pure love. I'm speaking to someone who fell in love with isolation, Divine Collective. The same isolation that was supposed to destroy you, defeat you, Divine Collective. Spirit says you fell in love with isolation because you are love. You are pure love. You are dealing with a warlock, Divine Collective, who never energetically moved on from you, who is now facing a lot of mental conflict. Spirit says this person sealed their fate. Spirit is also saying move in silence, Divine Collective. I'm getting probable cause, 330 on the clock. Archangel Michael is here clearing away all negative energy. Spirit says this person's spirit is disturbed. The ancestors are here. The ancestors are keeping a close eye on this person, Divine Collective. I'm getting Athena, goddess of wisdom. Again, you're someone who is very wise, Divine Collective. Spirit continues to tell me that you are very wise. You are a guru with unique wisdom is what I'm hearing, okay? I'm getting an awakening. You're awakening a friends group here, Divine Collective. You're helping to awaken a friends group. I'm picking up on networking, Divine Collective. You're helped to awaken a friends group here who feels that they were misguided. Okay. Claim what's rightfully yours, Divine Collective. Cut cords. Someone here may be receiving a warrant. I'm getting a warrant, Divine Collective. This person has been called out many times, given the opportunity to do the right thing here. Okay, they're being called into spiritual court here for their dirty deeds. 5:02 on the clock. Move in silence, Divine Collective. Move in silence. I'm picking up on rituals. Someone here may still be doing a ritual. Playing on your subconscious, I heard. Doing a ritual, playing on your subconscious. The past is coming back to haunt this person. God has guided you here. This is an urgent message for someone, Divine Collective. Stay true to your purpose. Someone feels drawn to reconnect with you, but Spirit is saying stay true to your purpose, Divine Collective, okay? I heard be on the lookout. Be on the lookout, Libra. I'm picking up on a Libra. Bait and switch. Someone here is trying to bait and switch with you. Again, reject any type of food or drinks from someone here, Divine Collective. I am picking up on someone trying to do a bait and switch, playing on your subconscious, Divine Collective. They're going to jail. You're very psychic, Divine Collective. You know what these people are doing. These are clowns with hidden motives coming up against a psychic, a guru, who has been walking this earth for a very long time, Divine Collective. These are thieves that were stealing. Motorcycles are of significance. The police are studying you, Divine Collective. They offered you as an offering. 6:41 on the clock. You were offered up as an offering. You were the trap. Plot twist. You were the trap to catch these people, Divine Collective. And they walked right into the trap. Wow. A powerful energy reader. God put you in this position, Divine Collective. You were the trap. Very psychic, I'm getting. I'm picking up on communication from someone here with a traditional belief system. This is someone who doesn't quite believe in the things that you believe in, Divine Collective. This could be someone who is just very religious, or I want to say an extremist, Divine Collective. An extremist. Take what resonates, okay? Spirit says they built everything on deception and theft. They built everything that they have off of deception and theft. Stealing from you, deceiving you, Divine Collective, okay? They assumed you were stupid. All along, you were the trap set, okay? A lot of communication. There's a lot of people here on the phone. It's like, I'm picking up on, did you hear that? Did you hear what she just said? Did you hear what he just said? They know. You can't tell me that they don't know. Did you hear what they said? They have specific details. It's kind of like that. I've gotten so many cards where people are behind the scenes communicating. And the way that I'm feeling energetically is that there's anxiety here, okay? The turning point, Spirit says, the big comeback. You are a warrior, Divine Collective. You are the warrior. Okay? These were the perpetrators, I'm hearing, who tried to use childhood wounds to attack you. It's like the same childhood wounds they were trying to use to attack you are the same wounds, Divine Collective, that these people created. Okay? Because as for me and my beliefs and how Spirit has shown me, Divine Collective, I see everything as being orchestrated from the moment that we take our first breath, okay? Where I see us as, I've always seen it since I've awakened, a video game, Divine Collective, and I can't see anything different, okay? So this is how I'm picking up on things in the moment. And the same childhood wounds they were using to attack you, they created those, Divine Collective, okay? They helped. I'm not gonna say that. I'm gonna say that they helped to create those same childhood wounds that they were using to, you know, attack you with, so to say, if that came out right. A lot of arguments and tension, Divine Collective, mental instability, inner turmoil I'm picking up on within the karmic energy.